The Whlicks narrow folding walker WHL-100 is constructed from a high-quality aluminum alloy, offering exceptional stability and support for users up to 350 pounds. Weighing just 6.6 pounds, this walker is incredibly lightweight and can be easily folded for convenient storage and transport, making it ideal for both travel and everyday use. With its adjustable width ranging from 22.4 to 26.4 inches, this walker effortlessly navigates through narrow spaces like doorways and hallways. The height of the walker can be adjusted from 30.3 to 37.4 inches, catering to users of varying heights for a personalized and comfortable walking experience. Ergonomically designed hand grips provide a comfortable and secure hold, while the 5-inch PVC front wheels ensure smooth and stable movement across different surfaces. Whlicks offers reliable after-sales support with a 3-year warranty on the main frame and free replacement accessories within the first year, ensuring peace of mind for users.